people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because they never learn how to think. Not overthinking, real thinking. If you're in your late teens or early 20s, you probably feel this quiet pressure all the time. You want to do something meaningful, but when you try to plan your future, your mind goes blank. That's not a motivation problem. That's a thinking problem. Here's the truth most people never hear. Clarity doesn't come from inspiration. It comes from structure. The 1% aren't smarter than you. They just don't think in chaos. They think in order. The first rule of thinking is this: stop trying to figure out your entire life. That question is too big. It overwhelms the brain, and when the brain is overwhelmed, it freezes. Instead, think smaller. Think in layers. Layer one is honesty. Ask yourself one uncomfortable question. What am I actually bad at right now? Not what you dislike, not what you wish you were good at, what you are objectively bad at. That's your starting point. Layer two is direction, not goals. Goals sound nice, but direction is what moves you. You don't need a perfect plan. You need a next move. One skill to build, one habit to improve, one weakness to fix. Layer three is leverage. The 1% don't ask, how do I win at life? They ask, what one thing, if improved, makes everything else easier? That's not luck. That's thinking. Thinking is a skill, and skills can be trained. If you think slightly better today than you did yesterday, momentum starts building quietly. You're not lost, you're early. And once you learn how to think for yourself, everything else becomes easier to figure out.